2026 Honda CRV honest review, is it still the king of compact SUVs? What if I told you that one of America's best-selling SUVs is starting to face some serious competition? Not from luxury brands, but from cheaper, smarter, and more tech-loaded rivals? Today we are talking about the 2026 Honda CRV, a name that has dominated the compact SUV market for years. But here's the real question. Is it still the perfect family SUV in 2026? Or has Honda started playing it too safe while others move ahead? Let's find out. Overview. The Honda CRV has always been known for three things. Reliability, fuel efficiency, strong resale value. And in 2026, Honda continues that formula with some subtle upgrades rather than a full revolution. You still get a hybrid option, spacious cabin, smooth daily driving experience, advanced Honda sensing safety tech. But the question is safe and reliable enough in today's aggressive SUV market? Let's break it down. Exterior design. First impressions matter, and the 2026 CRV plays it safe again. Up front, bold black grille, sharp LED headlights, clean but conservative styling. From the side, long wheelbase for better cabin space, smooth body lines, nothing too aggressive. At the rear, simple taillight design, very family-oriented look. Honest opinion. If you want attention on the road, this is not the SUV for that. But if you want something clean, mature, and timeless, CRV delivers exactly that. Compared to rivals like Toyota RAV4 or Hyundai Tucson, the CRV feels more calm than exciting. Interior and comfort. Now this is where Honda usually wins. And the CRV continues that tradition. Step inside and you'll notice. Positives. Very spacious cabin. Comfortable seating for 5 adults. High-quality soft-touch materials in key areas. Clean dashboard layout. Excellent visibility. The infotainment system is responsive. Easy to use. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto on higher trims. Rear seats. Honestly, one of the best in class for legroom. Cargo space is also a big advantage, perfect for families, road trips, or even small business use. Downsides. Not a luxury feel. Base trims feel a bit plastic heavy. No wow factor design like Korean rivals. Bottom line. It's comfortable, practical, and built for real life, not Instagram. Performance and engine, 5 to 630. Now let's talk driving. The 2026 CRV comes with two main options. 1. Gas engine. 1.5L turbocharged engine. Smooth but not very sporty. Focused on efficiency. 2. Hybrid option. Recommended. More power. Better fuel economy. Quieter city driving. On the road, the CRV feels smooth. Easy to drive. Very stable at highway speeds. But here's the truth. It is not a performance SUV. If you want speed, sportiness, or aggressive acceleration, this is not your car. This is a relax and drive SUV. Fuel economy. This is where CRV still shines. Hybrid models especially deliver. Excellent miles per gallon in city driving. Strong long-distance efficiency. Lower fuel costs compared to most rivals. In simple words, you will spend less money at the gas station than most SUVs in this segment. That's one of the biggest reasons CRV still sells so strongly in the USA. Safety and tech. Honda continues to lead in safety systems. Standard features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, road departure mitigation. All of this comes under the Honda Sensing Suite. The system works smoothly and feels natural, not overly aggressive like some competitors. Tech-wise, large touchscreen, digital driver display, higher trims, wireless smartphone integration, available premium audio system. But again, it's functional, not futuristic. Pros and cons. Pros. Asterisk extremely reliable reputation. Asterisk excellent fuel economy, especially hybrid. Asterisk spacious interior. Asterisk strong resale value. Asterisk comfortable ride quality. Asterisk easy to drive in city and highway. Air cons. Asterisk conservative design. Asterisk not very powerful or sporty. Asterisk interior not as premium as competitors. Asterisk lacks excitement factor. Asterisk feels safe rather than innovative. So, what's the final answer? The 2026 Honda CRV is not trying to impress you with flashy design or extreme performance. Instead, it does something smarter. It focuses on real-world value. If you are asterisk a family buyer, asterisk a daily commuter, asterisk someone who values reliability over hype, asterisk or someone who wants low running costs, then this SUV is still one of the best choices in America. But if you want asterisk sporty driving, asterisk luxury feel, asterisk or futuristic design, then you might want to look at competitors. The 2026 CRV doesn't try to be the most exciting SUV, but it might still be the most logical one. And in today's market, that still matters a lot.